Summer State University Lodripas to Limit, wide open, the shot from the outside, ringless for Limit. Yung mga biliranon, titikadan na naman sa labas, ito si Panes, susubok, iyon! Na kay Limit, labang kay Panes, Limit ipapasa sana, Limit recovers it again, and Limit will score again. To the Eastern Samareños, Limit will drive, forcing his way. Limit scores. Mainit na mainit itong si Mr. Limit ng Eastern Samar dito sa pagpapasimula ng labanang ito. Balik kay Limit. Hindi tumira ng tres, lumapit ng bahagya. Limit, bumato, bang! Nagpakita kagad ng kanyang medium range talent itong si Limit. Andito ngayon si Panes. Ito ngayon. Tauto, Panes. He will fire. Cross-court pass, Limit. Dare dribble drive by Limit. Sabi ni Limit, babawi ako. Kaya ito, abante muli ang mga istihanon kay Limit. Limit, drop pass. Machika will attack. He will be blocked by Panes. Pagkakataon ng mga bilirano na makuhang kalabangan. Ito si Pipito. Panes, he will go for back-to-back three-point shot. Yes, sir! Nakukuha na naman ng mga taga-Eastern Samar ang bola. Fast break sa kanila. Limit will fake. Limit will attempt. Limit will convert. To the Eastern Samareños, Limit will drive, forcing his way. Limit scores on that fast break play. Nag-adjust ang dalawang coaches. Panes taking a three and converting it. Ang layo ni Panes, full of confidence nang itira niya yung 3-point shot na yon. Panes, 3-point attempt, bang! Biglang nag-init. Maraming baon na bala itong si Panes. Back-to-back 3-point basket para kay Panes. Limit was there to catch the loose ball. 79-69. Nahihirapan ngayon, makakaagaw na naman ang biliran. Kaya pa itong habulin. Panes, important 3. Yes, sir! On target. Ilalabas muna ang bola. Limit, drop pass. Lodripas under the basket. Nice recognition. Lodripas. Cross-court pass. Limit. Dare dribble drive by Limit. Itikada na naman sa labas. Ito si Panes. Susubok. Iyon! It's a big basket. Atras si Limit. Kukuha ng tiyempo. Bumato mula sa tres. And Limit. Pipito will lose the handle. Loose ball. Recovered by Limit. Limit against. Limit will escape from the defense of Panes and Limit will score on that drive. For the Eastern Samareños, nag-drive itong si Panes para sa biliran. At ang kanyang running shot is successful. Limit will fake. Limit with the short jumper. That is the story since the start of this ball game. Pa rin, ipapasa sana, matatapikan ng bola, nag-aagawan, makukuha ni Limit. Lodripas was all alone. Recovering the loose ball, ipapasa dito kay Limit. Limit elevates. He will fire. Knocks it down. Wala. Limit. Labang kay Panes. Limit umikot. Limit will lay it in. 86-78. Panalo po ang Eastern Samar State University.